Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to create a virtual switch using our Hyper-V manager so we can connect our virtual machines on that switch. So we'll be creating an internal switch. To do that, on your right hand side, you see actions, and the actions you see virtual switch manager. Click on it and then you have your window open. Now we have create virtual switch. So you have three types: external, internal, and private. Now, when you select each one, it gives you the description and what it does. So we are going to stick with internal, which says create a virtual switch that can be used only by the virtual machines that run on this physical computer. And between the virtual machines and the physical computer, an internal switch does not provide connectivity to a physical network connection. So we stick to that. If you select private, also it gives you the description. So let's stick with internal. I'll click on create virtual switch, and then I'll name my virtual switch, which is I'll name it DBA network. That's the name. You can put in a brief note here to describe it. We have the connection type already selected, internal. If you have a VLAN ID, you can select. We'll stick to this, and then I'll click on apply for the changes to be applied. Now, once our changes are applied, our network has been created. You can see DBA network. So I'll click on OK. Now, the next thing you need to do is to put all your virtual machines on that switch or connect them using that switch. So what I'll do is I'll select my first virtual machine, right click it, and then click on settings. Once the window opens, you locate network adapter down here. You click on it, and then you specify the configuration of the network adapter or remove network adapter. So I'll click on this drop down menu and I'll select which is DBA network. Right. Now I'll leave it as it is and I'll click on apply. I'll not click on OK because I want to connect the other virtual machine. So top here where the name of the virtual machine is, I'll click on the drop down and then select the next virtual machine, which is dev. I'll click on network adapter. The drop down menu here, click on apply. And then I'll do it for the DR. Click on network adapter. The drop down menu here, select DBA network, click on apply. And the last one is going to be our prod. Click on network adapter, select it, click on apply, and OK. That is it. Now all our virtual machines have been connected using the DBA network that we created. So in our next video, we'll be looking at how to assign IP addresses to our virtual machines so they can communicate with one another. If you found this tutorial very helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.